Good morning students. Welcome back to the science class. As you know that I have already started chapter number 11, that is air, water and weather, and we are doing the question answer from the exercise of the chapter. So today also I will continue with the same thing, means we will do the question answer from the exercise of chapter number 11, air, water and weather. In the previous video you might have seen that we are doing short answer question, that is section E, short answer question from the exercise of this chapter. So today we will also continue with the short answer question. So this is your exercise of the chapter. Please follow page number 77, page number 77 in your science book. You can see the questions there. I will also write down the question, and I will expect everyone to write the question answer in your science notebook or in science copy. Okay, so in the last video we are done up to question 1, 2 and 3, section E, that is short answer question. We have done question number 1, 2 and 3. 3 is this number, question number 3 has two parts. See here, A and B. We have done only A. B is not required because B is a value based question or value corner. We will just discuss this one. No need of writing in your science notebook or science copy. So question 3 was, I will discuss from here once again. Question 3 was, a storm is very powerful and can cause loss of lives and properties. Okay, now the question A is, what is a storm? We have written that one. What is a storm? Storm means when wind blows at a very high speed along with thunder, lightning and rain, it is called a storm. So when wind blows at a very high speed along with thunder, lightning and rain, it is called a storm. Now question B is, I will just explain you verbally. Okay, no need of writing this one. See here, question B is it good to show your power on the other people? Why or why not? No, it is not essentially good to show any power. Okay, what you have, you must have within yourself. Okay, no need of because this power, if you show the power, it may be in anger. You will be in anger. You get angry with others. You might there might be quarrel among yourselves, among the people whom you are showing the anger. Okay, so it is better not to show the power on the other people. See, storm is, what is storm? Storm means when the wind is blowing very heavily, tremendously the wind is blowing along with thunder, lightning, rain, it is called a storm. So what you have, you must have within yourself. Okay, now today we will start from question number 4 from the short answer question. Okay, question 4 is what is weather? What is weather? Let me write down the question. Question number 4, what is weather? Okay, your answer is when. Okay, the answer is the condition of the air, the condition of the air of a place, the condition of the air of a place at a particular time is called weather. So I will repeat once again, what is weather? The condition of the air of a place at a particular time is called weather. Okay. Next one. Next is question number 5. Question number 5. What is the question? Question is, what is evaporation? What is evaporation? What is evaporation? Okay. Answer: the process of change of water into water vapor on heating the process of change of water into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. Just underline evaporation. You will underline here. So I will repeat once again, what is evaporation? The process of change of water into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. Okay. Now the next question. So we have completed the short answer question. Question number 4 and up to 5 is there. Now I will start another question today. We will do that question only today. That long answer question. Question number 1. What is meant by season? Briefly write about the 3 main seasons in India. So now if long answer question. Okay. Question is, question number 1. What is meant by season? Briefly write about the 3 main seasons in India. Okay, this is your question. Okay, so let me write it down. What is meant by season? Answer: when the weather is same for a few months, it is called season. I will underline season here. Okay, so when the weather is same for a few months, it is called season. Now briefly write about the three main seasons in India. So the three main seasons in India are summer, winter and monsoon. Okay, summer, winter and monsoon. Summer is the hot season Summer is the hot season with long and warm days. With long and warm days. Monsoon is the rainy season. Monsoon is the rainy season. Winter is the monsoon is the rainy season. Winter is the cold season. Winter is the cold season with short and cold days. With short and cold days. Okay, so this is completed here. So I will repeat what we have done today, because we have completed today's work. Okay, so let me repeat what we have done today. We have done short answer question, that is section E from the exercise of chapter 11. Question 4 we have done, 4 and 5. Okay, question 4 is, what is weather? The condition of the air of a place at a particular time is called weather. Then question number 5, what is evaporation? The process of change of water into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. Then we have done question number 1 from the long answer question section. See here, number 1, what is meant by season? Briefly write about the three main seasons in India. So when the weather is same for a few months, it is called season. The three main seasons in India are summer, winter and monsoon. Okay, you can underline summer, winter and monsoon. Summer is the hot season with long and warm days. Okay. Monsoon is the rainy season. Full stop here. And winter is the cold season with short and cold days. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Hope you will see this video in the YouTube channel and write down the question answer in your science notebook. Till then, goodbye to everyone and thank you.